Alright, I'm going to show you how to create an event. If you're doing it on your class, then you just go to your class story, and down here there's an event calendar. You create the title, the date, the time that it happens, unless you want it to happen all day. You can do a description. You can choose a theme, color, and then this is the reminder that you can choose, and these are the reminders you're getting on Dojo on your phone or your computer emails, and this reminds parents as well when you want it, and then you just hit create. If you want to do an all-school event, you're just going to do it the exact same way. Really easy, really easy. I've done my own personal classroom events, so I did book orders due, which was really nice because it reminded my parents without me having to remind them. I made an event for a Valentine's Day celebration, and then as most of you saw, I did an event for classroom or personality pictures. So yeah, if you need help creating an event, just let me know.